Guys, welcome back to Learning Phonics. I'm Apurva and I'm a preschool teacher working with schools more than 10 years now. And I am back with another episode of Learning Phonics where we are going to learn when to use CH and when to use TCH. Have you ever wondered when a word that ends with the ch sound, some words end with CH and some words end with TCH? Why is that? Why does that happen? Okay, so there is a rule for it. So English is basically just rules. Everything has a rule. You have to know the rule, and then you're not going to make any mistakes ever. So let's get started with it. So when you see a word that ends with the ch sound, you have to see what is the sound before it. Okay, what is the sound that is right before it? If it's a vowel team like E, A, or if it's a consonant, any other consonant like b, d, anything, then it is going to end with the letter CH. For example, we'll take some examples. Pinch. Break it down. E, ch. What do you hear before the ch sound? I hear a sound. See? So now when there is a consonant, you're going to use the CH letters. Okay? E, ch, pinch. See, I hear a consonant sound right before the ch sound, and hence I have used the CH letters to make the ch sound. Let's take another one. If I say lunch, what do you hear? L, ch. See, I again hear the sound. That is a consonant sound. What is it? It's a consonant. Alright, so when you hear a consonant sound before the ch sound, you are going to use C, the letters CH. Alright? L, ch, lunch. See, this is how you decode it. Now let's take another one. Beach. B, E, ch. Now what do you hear? You hear a long E sound. Long E. See, B, E, E, A is making the long E sound. Long E in long E or vowel team. Okay, so these are called vowel teams as well. So long E sound is there. So what are you gonna do when there is a long vowel sound before the ch sound? What are you gonna use? You're gonna use the letters CH to make the ch sound. So B, E, ch, beach. See? Now, when you hear a short vowel sound right before the ch sound, what are you going to use? You are going to use TCH. That is going to make the ch sound. Okay, let's see some examples. First one we will see is patch. Patch. Break it down. Ach. Now, what do you hear before the ch sound? Ah, right? That is a short vowel sound. So, ah. So, what we will write? TCH to make the ch sound. See, it's very simple, right? Now, let's take another one. That is switch. Sw, e, ch, switch. What do you hear before the ch sound? E. That is a short vowel sound. E. Write down sw, e. So after the short vowel sound, what are you going to use? TCH. Alright. See, it's very simple. So what have we learned? When it's a short vowel sound, right before the ch sound, you are going to use TCH. And when it's a long vowel sound or a consonant, What are you going to use? You are going to use ch to make the ch sound. That is correct. I hope you all have understood when to use ch and when to use tch. But still, do you have any questions? Please comment them below and I am going to try to answer them all. Okay. If you have found this video helpful in any way, do like this video and subscribe to the channel. Keep yourself hydrated. It's scorching hot outside. Keep learning. See you next time.